In this video, we'll show you how to change the outfit in an AI-generated model photo created with Hippist. As you can see here, both hands are visible in the image. If you want to keep this pose, all you need to do is brush the areas around the hands when making the outfit change. One important thing to remember: choose an outfit that fits the brushed area. For example, a V-neck shirt works here, but a turtleneck wouldn't make sense with this pose. If you want to remove the left hand, just brush over the entire hand. Then, in the prompt box, write something like, "She wears a plain white shirt with long sleeves." Just describe exactly what you want to see. Tap Apply. Now, as you can see in the result, the AI interpreted the pose on its own, because we didn't specify how the body should be positioned. So, let's brush again. Write the same outfit prompt, and this time, we'll also add that the pose should be frontal. Now the pose looks just the way we wanted. However, the shirt is missing one collar side. To fix that, we brush the left area again, repeat the same prompt, and this time we also mention the collar. After tapping Apply, the new result now shows a properly formed shirt. There's still some blurriness around the model's wrist. To fix it, we brush over that area and simply write "clearly" in the prompt box. We get a clean and sharp result, just as we imagined.